Method 1. Reset using SADP tool. Most reliable. This works when your DVR supports activation password reset. Both your PC and DVR must be on the same local network LAN. Step-by-step install SADP tool on your PC. Official Hikvision tool. Search Hikvision SADP tool. Download. Open SADP tool. Gives your DVR should appear automatically in the list. Select your DVR. Gives click the Forgot Password button. Export the XML file. Gives save it on your PC. Send this XML file to Hikvision support or your distributor. Gives they will send you an unlock file valid for 24 hours. Import the unlock file in SADP. Gives set a new password. Gives your DVR will be unlocked. Important notes. Ensure your PC's date and time are correct. Do not power off the DVR during the reset process. Method 2. Security questions. If set. If you set security questions previously, on the login screen, click Forgot Password. Answer the security questions correctly. Create a new password. If you don't remember the answers. Gives use Method 1. Method 3. QR code. Gid reset. Newer models. Some K1 DVRs support gid reset. Steps. On login screen. Gives click Forgot Password. A QR code will appear. Take a photo or screenshot and send it to your distributor. They will provide a reset code. Enter the code on your DVR and set a new password. Backdoor. Default passwords. Most K1 series DVRs cannot be unlocked with default backdoor passwords due to newer firmware.